Hello friends, welcome to White Bike. Today we are going to install intellij in your PC or laptop. Let's start. First we have to install exe file. So we just write this to the browser. Open what browser you have. Now click the first link you see in the browser and don't install this ultimate. It is a paid one and it has a 30-day free trial. You can use it for 30 days if you want to use. We will install this community version. I already installed it, so I will not install now. Let just here it will take some time to show. I have already installed it, so you have to just see here next and select. I already installed it, so it will showing me to uninstall and then installing, but that's it. I will handle it. Uh, it will uninstall first and then it will install again. You can choose any place where you want to install it. I am choosing my D drive to install it because I have very large space in these and don't have NC much. So you have to select these options because this will help you in later. I will show you what the uses of this. It will take some time, but don't worry, it will not take that much longer. If your PC is very powerful, then it will barely take 1 or 2 minutes. I have Intel i5 core, so it will take more time as compared to i9 or i7. A different window. After installation, you will get a different video. You will not see window like this or like this. You will get a different window. In that, you have to click on create project or new project, and then you will get like this screen, which you have to select this Java and name your project. Like I will name it Java tutorial, and I will save in this file. And you have to select JDK. I have already downloaded JDK and added in this. So, and please select this. It will help you to generate a sample code. It will it will automatically generate a sample code for you, so you have some sort of easiness. And then after creating the project, you will see this type of window. You will not see this and this. These are I have downloaded this extension Gemini Code Assist, which will help in my debugging most of the time. You can download by this clicking this settings. Go to settings and click on plugins. This here you will get all type of extension. See here you will get all type of extensions. So you will get this type of file inbuilt generated. If you want to create a new file, then just create Java class and name it like anything you want. I will name it practice, and I will use this main word to create a whole main function. This will help a lot to you. This will reduce about 20 to 30% of your code in practice. This shortcut, let me just give you this shortcut, will help you to print to write the statement. This shortcut is used to write this system.out.println. So and this button here is used to run the program, and this button is used to debug a file. So I am currently selected the current file, and then I will run it. You will see, you will get this here bar. You can see that bar. This will build and show you the result. You can see the hello world is visible here. We don't have to write like Javik, calling a Javik function, a Javik compiler, and then running by Java bytecode or JVM. It will make a easier approach to run the file. That's it. This is a setup. Now onwards we will use this intellij to run our code and to teach you the Java programming language. So subscribe to VoidByte. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VoidByte. Don't also write the comments, so I will get motivated to make a video faster. Thank you for your support.